Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a super easy art journal page with you. My page has already some stenciling on it and a little bit of leftover paint. And for the stenciling I used a STAMPlorations stencil and I mixed the ColourCraft Pearl soft form relief paste together with a little bit of the yellow Aztec Lustre metallic paint to get this shimmery look. In my next step I'm adding a little bit of acrylic paint. This is from ColourCraft and it's a lovely magenta. I'm working in my homemade envelope art journal and I will link you up in the top right corner to the video how to make these little journals. To blend everything and to get a little bit more white space, I'm going on top with white gesso. I wanted to have some more interest on the background, so I'm stamping the rubber dance Twiggy Leaves. It's not good to see on camera, but they add some nice detail to the page. I'm only using rubber dance stamps on this page this time, and you will find a free shipping code to the Rubber Dance online store in the description box. At this stage of the page I was not sure about the main image, so I stamped the lovely Mama Owl from Rubber Dance, and I'm also stamping the new hand-carved owl, and I will decide later with which one I will go. I decide to go with the hand-carved owl. To balance the page, I pick the Rubber Dance carved Whimisy wood stamps and add some leaves to the background. Those leaves add kind of a frame to my main image. For more vibrancy, I'm adding some black splatters. I have already prepared some ephemera. This tab is a die cut and I combined it with a border die from STAMPlorations, and I've also die cut 2 words from a Tim Holtz wordblock die, but I won't use it in the end. While my gesso is drying, I glue down the owl and I'm stamping some tiny hearts to give the page even more vibrancy. At this stage I decided that the words are not good for my page, so I cut some alphabet stickers from a black cardstock together with a double-sided tape. The thinlits are from Tim Holtz, and I arranged the word to my page. I'm coloring in the hearts with a paint marker in a light pink. Here is my finished page. I hope you enjoyed the video. I would be very happy if you leave me a comment and give me a thumb up. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!